Hey traders, welcome to my new channel Equities. This is my first video on the channel. It's an introductory video about myself and the channel and what to expect to see and learn from this channel for the coming months. First, let me start by getting the legal stuff out of the way. Please read the disclaimer carefully before proceeding. And in brief, I'm not a financial advisor, and everything I mention in my videos presents my own personal opinion. All the information presented in the videos are from sources believed to be accurate, but of course I don't guarantee the accuracy of any data presented in my videos. Okay, with this out of the way, let me tell you some boring stuff about myself, so at least you know who am I. My name is Sharif. I'm 49. I'm married and I have a son. I'm a mechanical engineer with a bachelor degree. I'm also a CFA level 2 candidate. I started trading more than 2 decades ago, specifically in 1998, and my first options trade was in 2001. Again, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not a teacher even. I'm just sharing my knowledge and expertise, hoping to benefit others become better traders. Okay, so why did I create this channel? Why did I took the time to create this channel? And by the way, so maybe you don't know, but to create a good YouTube channel, it's really a very challenging task. It's not easy. It needs a lot of work and research. And it's extremely time consuming, especially for someone like me. I don't have any technical experience in creating videos. I didn't do it before. So anyhow, back to the question why I created this channel, and the answer is in this picture in front of you. This is what we all have done in the past and maybe doing now and will do in the future. We throw money down the drain and we'll try to figure out what happened. We can't understand why the market acted that way. Why right after you close a position and you take a loss, the stock would reverse action and goes up maybe 20%. I'm sure this sounds familiar because it happened to all of us. The market doesn't know that we even exist, but it knows that the crowd is always wrong. And this is exactly what I want to help you change. Stop following the crowd and stop acting as part of the herd. We should have our own independent way of thinking, analysis, the way we look at the market to be different from the crowd, and so we should expect different results. This channel is for all of us, including myself, to avoid doing the same mistakes again and again. And hopefully we'll start trading like a pro. My advice is the first thing you should do is to start learning how to do your own analysis. No matter what your level is. Just start by doing any kind of analysis. Look at charts, financial statements, as I'm going to teach you on my video about financial statements. I will start with the very basics and then we'll go up step by step. Try to look at key figures, for example, about a specific company. Is their sales growing? Is the cash flow sustainable? Follow the news and try to analyze it as much as possible. Then build on top of your analysis, step by step, as you learn more. By time you'll start building confidence about your analysis, You will learn how to manage risk and how to manage your emotions. And again, most importantly, you start trading like a pro. There's going to be maybe 8 different playlists. The first one is going to be a general one about the financial market and trading in general. Then a dedicated playlist for each of the following topics. So one as a general playlist, you're going to have a video about the global financial market, about trading psychology, behavior, finance, how to do due diligence, and this is a very common term I read on Twitter and StockTwits. Everyone is talking about due diligence, and I think 90% don't know what they are talking about. So anyhow, I'm going to present a video about due diligence, and another 6 playlists about the topics that you see here. Stocks, of course, everybody's interested in stocks. Technical analysis, quantitative analysis, options, and this is my favorite topic, fundamental analysis, and finally trading systems. I will also add another playlist for my own personal analysis and the trades that I'm considering. Again, this will not be a kind of recommendations of any sort. I'm just sharing my opinion. If anyone thinks it has value, you can do some research on what I'm doing, or you may just ignore it. Throughout my videos, I'm going to start always with an introductory video, the very basics for the beginner's level. So everyone could join this channel and learn from zero. Like for example, the videos about options. There is a very long introductory video about options. It should be uploaded within few days. And then from this video, I'm going to create other videos to cover options strategies, for example. And after covering some basic strategies, I'm going to introduce what are the Greeks, because it's very important when you're choosing which option strategy you want to trade. And then we'll go back to the more advanced strategies, and then I will have a video about valuation and pricing of an options contract. Of course, this is an advanced topic, so it's going to be by the end of the series. This is just an example of how it's going to be organized throughout my channel. I'm going to include as many examples as possible, because this is how I like to learn. I like to learn by seeing examples, and in my opinion, it's a good idea to show a concept by examples. I believe I'm going to have over 200 videos by year end, or maybe a bit later, covering all these topics and subjects. It's a long way to go, but I like the subject, and I believe it's worth it. I hope that this channel will add some value and will help all of us. And yeah, so this about it. I believe I covered everything I wanted to mention in this first video about the channel. Please subscribe to my channel to be notified when I post a new video. Feel free to send me as many questions as you want. On the very first slide, there was my contact details, my Twitter account if you want to follow me there, and my email address and my Facebook page. Finally, With your help and your constructive feedbacks, I'm sure that this channel will grow, and hopefully it will benefit many other traders like me and you. Let's all trade like a pro. Thank you and have a good day.